In this video, I'll show you how to replace the battery in your Audi R8 key fob. This is a really easy process. It will just take you a few minutes. All you'll need is a replacement battery, which is a CR2032 coin battery. These are pretty inexpensive. You can get them online. If you're interested, go check out that first link down in the description. That link will take you to Amazon where you can find these for a good price. All we want to do to start, flip this over, find the button on the metal part on the back there, and just hold it down and pull. And now flip this back over, and you can see on the top, this is actually a button. You can see how that goes down there. You're just going to hold that button down, holding onto this tab and pushing on that button, and just gently pull. There we go. Takes a little bit of force and the battery will come, this whole plastic bottom part will come right out. From here, you can just simply remove the battery with your fingers. You can dispose of your old battery, grab your new CR2032 battery, and when you're ready to put that in there, make sure that the positive side is facing down. So set that into place, positive side down, and now to put this back in, the buttons are facing up, the battery will be facing up as well, and it just goes right back in there. Push it all the way down, and you can put the key back on there as well. And if you want to make sure, you can just test it out, make sure that that light is turning on, and if it is, you should be good to go. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, feel free to leave a like or a comment, and if you ever need help with another one of your key fobs, can come back here to this channel and we'll have you covered with a tutorial like this one.